In the last video, I went through all the steps that you need to create an exit ticket in your OnCourse Classroom assignments using the assessment feature. Now we're going to go into the grading. When you pull up your assignment, you can see that you have submissions. If you had, I added something that needs to be graded by the teacher, you would have this triangle here. If it was auto-graded, you would see all of the little calculators next to it. Keep in mind, even though this is calculated, what their grade, you're going to have to enter into the box checker X. So I'm going to click on my one submission to open it into the grading portal. Once I'm in the grading portal, I can view any points the students earned on auto-graded questions. In this particular example, the student got the answer correct, so it's shaded in green. If the student would have gotten it incorrect, their incorrect answer would be highlighted red, with the correct answer highlighted in yellow. Next, I'm going to click the play button to play the student's audio response. After I've listened to the student's audio response, I'm going to add any feedback. If you click this feedback in the enter feedback box, the students will be able to view it in the returned assessment that comes back to them. If you want any specific comments to go into the gradebook, you're going to add it here. But use the feedback option so that it's not clouding any information that goes directly to the student and parent in OnCourse Connect. Now that I'm done, I'm going to grade. So I need to fill in the student's grade for the points earned. So in this particular student, the student got full credit for this, so I put a 1. Because this is a use a checkbox to score, even though these two have grades, you're going to need to click the checkbox to grade. Once you click on the checkbox once, it'll make it a check. If you click on the checkbox twice, it'll mark it an X. Now that you've entered all of your grades for your students, you're going to go back to your assignment. You can view the grade that you've given the student in the assignment here. And then here you're going to click Return Assignments and Publish Grade. This is only when you're ready for students and parents to view the checker X in OnCourse Connect. Make sure you've done all students before this time. Once you click Return Assignments and Publish Grade, it's going to show you and let you know what date or time the assignment was returned. Students can now view the returned assessment and any feedback you've left for the student in OnCourse Classroom. When you go into the gradebook, you can see what it looks like here. The student has a check in the area where you've provided the grade. If it was a comment that you'd added here that was something that was supposed to go to the gradebook, it would appear here. Any feedback that you've left within the assessment is only visible to the student in OnCourse Classroom. I hope this helps you grading your exit tickets using the assignment and assessment feature in OnCourse Classroom.